It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Probably not. I prefer not to have neighbors. Especially here in the Rockies. It's Sunday and people are packing up. Goodbye. I'd prefer to stay alone. Had to come up on the knoll to get a little bit of Wi-Fi. Welcome to the Switzerland Trail. Did you know that all aspens are connected? That leads me to believe that all people are connected too. So those that think that they're somehow superior to others really need to get a grip. Nobody's better than anybody else. Just saying. You're all created equal. Until you can figure that out, you're never going to get it figured out in life. Home for now. Home for now.